Hi friends, this is activity 3 for math. Your learning goal is to add numbers up to 20. With this activity, you're going to count each object on each line, and then you're going to look to the right to see that that number matches those objects. Go down to the second line, you're going to count these objects, look to your right, and you're going to see that this number matches these objects. To get the total amount of 4 plus 11, you're going to count all of these together and then you're going to write your number down. You're adding. And then you go down to the next problem and do the same. You're going to count your objects, look to the right, go to the next line, count your objects, go to the right. Then to get the total amount of objects, you have to add 13 plus 3, and then you write your number down.